Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, I'm going to be doing an SP rampage. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join my collective coaching, all of the details will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can just go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information that you will ever need on all three things will be there. Take this as a motherfucking fact, because it is. Your SP cannot live without you. You know how you put your home address on your GPS after having a fun time with your friends or seeing your family members, or maybe you just had an amazing vacation and you're at your home base airport and you're telling the Uber driver to take you back home. You know that feeling of relief, like, oh, I have a home base, like I have something that is mine. It is something comforting to you because this is where you're sheltered, you have a roof over your head, you have food, you have love, you have safety and protection. You know that feeling of relief, like, ah, I'm somewhere that feels home to me. This thing is mine and mine only. That is how your SP feels about you. Literally every place, every person feels strange in comparison to you. You are his family, you are his home, no matter if you're just dating or talking or you have a crush on him or you don't know his existence. Your energy, your personality resonates with him, her so much that everyone else feels so strange to him. Everything else just feels like surface level. It just feels like something that can potentially be fun. You know, they're talking to their friends, that's fun. They are having a good time at work earning money, that's fun. But it's not the same. It's not like home. It's not like I get to kick my feet back and relax after a tough day. You are that for him. Not only are you fun, but you are like home to him. You are home to him because no one can understand him as much as you do. No one can relate to him as much as you do. He feels like whenever he talks to you, he can say anything. He feels understood deeply. He feels like he's staring back into a mirror of himself. He can relax with you. He doesn't feel like he needs to put on a front. Like, it feels like he's going on vacation when he speaks to you. That is why he is addicted to your energy, because no one can do it like you. He would be like a stray dog walking the streets, not loved, not understood, not truly known for who he is, because no matter who he comes into contact with, doesn't matter. It is not you. He fiends for your energy. Just your presence alone, just your posts alone puts a smile on his face. He wants to have conversations with you. He feels recharged after having conversations with you. He wants to build a life with you. You being in his life is like him having an arm or a leg or whatever body part. He needs you in his life. Like Justin Bieber needs Hailey Bieber, he needs you. He cannot get enough of you. He wants to laugh with you. He wants to have fun with you. He wants to take you on dates. He cannot get enough. He wants to be your boyfriend. He wants to be your husband. He wants to be the father of your children. No one can do it like you, and no one could even try. It's like, imagine being with someone for 30 years every day, sharing laughs together, sharing the most beautiful memories together. That's how he feels with you, regardless of how much history you have together, whether you have any history at all. He just senses that. Time does not matter. It is the energy that you have. He feels it from hundreds of thousands of miles away. It is so potent. He will find you in all different lifetime. You need to be reminded today, look in the mirror, look at your soul, look at your eyes, look at your skin, look at your hair, look at how you make your family laugh and your friends laugh, look at your beautiful personality, look at your heart, look at how much you care for people, look at the joy that is in your eyes. You are so loved, no matter if it is your SP or anyone else. You don't know how loved you are, and I want you to know that. I want you to recognize that right now. And so why would he not love you? Excuse me, hello, have you seen you? There is something special about you that no one else has. Your specific, unique set of skills, history, personality, likes, dislikes, the rants you go on, the things that you like on TikTok, the TV shows that you like, your interests, your family, your friends, the way that you dress, the way that you drive, the things that you pick to eat every day, the opinions that you have on politics, religion, the state of this world, your spirituality or not, your religion, every single thing that is inside of you, every interest, every thought is so special and so interesting and so unique and so much of what he resonates with that he can't not be with you. No one else has the interests that you have. No one has the opinions that you hold. No one has the history of your specific life path that you have, that he wants in his life. You guys fit each other like a motherfucking puzzle piece. He may not understand why, but it's potent and he feels it every single day. If it is someone that doesn't know you, he is missing out. He feels as though he's missing something in his life, and he is attracting you to him. It's happening soon, it's happening fast, and when he sees you, he will know, even with 1,000 people in the room, even if you are miles and miles and miles away, he will see you and he will know that this is the thing that he was missing. Because again, look at you, look at your personality, and trust and know that that is exactly what he needs in his life. I also really want to quickly touch on the fact that I only use he pronouns. If I am a woman and I am watching this, which the majority of you guys are women wanting men, I do not want to say he or she. I wanted to feel like I'm FaceTiming with you, which I am, because energy is transferable. I want you to know that I'm specifically talking to you, and if you are a man manifesting a woman, boo-boo, I'm sorry, but I have chosen to go the SP is a he route to talk to a specific number of people. If you are too sensitive and you don't want to switch it by yourself in your mind, this video is not for you. But I really want to resonate and penetrate this message. I want it to feel real because it is real, and I want these women who are manifesting these SPs to really feel that, because it's fucking true. Not only that, I am a woman, I'm a straight woman, and I talk as in she wants him. I want it to feel not just real for them, I want it to feel real for me. I want to be as relatable as possible, and the best way that I could relate is when I say he, because if I was in your position, if I was thinking what I wanted to manifest, I would be talking about he. So I just want to get that out there. I'm not saying don't watch this if you're manifesting a woman or a non-binary person, but I'm just saying that it resonates for me a lot more if I just say he. I don't think that it's as personable if I say he, she, they every single time I say SP. So please just turn it around in your head. I'm not discluding everyone, but my heart is really with the women that are manifesting their SPs. And I just want you all to know that the reason why this person is in your mind, it is because you are meant to be with this person. You can't get them off your mind because you have tapped in to their energy and you recognize that this is for you. But the gag is that you also recognize that you are for them as well, because energy is mutual. You can't just feel something and not have the other person feel the other way back. It's the same with thought transmission. If you are thinking of someone, that means that they are thinking of you, because it's never one way, it's always two-sided. There are always two sides of the coin. If you are feeling this, it's not for nothing. It's not just because you feel like this. It's for a reason, because they feel like it too. So I want you to know that this SP loves you. He is obsessed with you. He wants to marry you. He is thinking about you just as much as you are thinking about him. You know, those obsessive thoughts that you feel like they are thinking you, that is because it is that person thinking about you. And I just want you to know that you are the creator of your reality. Do not listen to these hoes. Do not listen to anyone. It is whatever you think it is. It always comes out to be that way. So if you really want this person, you will stop at nothing until you get them in your lap or wherever you want them. That's not my business. They will come crawling to you, but you must keep it in your head. And please do not do anything in the 3D. Stay in your mind and know that that is more than enough. Know that if you just stay in your mind, if you just deeply know that what you constantly think about, that what you know to be true in your reality right now is true in your reality right now. No matter how it feels, no matter how it looks to be in the 3D, all that matters is what is going on in your mind. So whatever you want to do to keep reminding yourself of that, whether that be your robotic affirmations, whether that be your sats. I didn't have to do anything but sats for my childhood dream that I have been yearning for 16 years to happen. I did not break my back during the day. I just did sats, okay? And my subconscious mind did all of the work for me during the night. It doesn't matter how you do it. If you don't trust anyone else, if you don't listen to anything else, trust me, because I have gone through this, not just with YouTube, with my own SP, with moving into my house, with traveling, with my best friend. So many things, infinite things, weight loss. Just go back to my channel and look at all the things that I have manifested, okay? So just know that if you trust yourself and you trust in the law of assumption and you know that it is whatever I say it is whatever I think it is, that is going to manifest into my reality like that. And I'm not going to look at the when, I'm not going to look at the how. I just trust that it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Please take my word for it, okay? Watch this video as many times as you need. Please do not beat yourself up about this. Your SP is yours. Your SP loves you. Your SP wants to be with you. I feel for you guys. I feel your energy, and I know that this is your reality in your life right now. I have manifested this for you. If nothing else, I have manifested this for you because I love you, okay? I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.